So a while ago, I did a short talking about the Ram 1500. This is the 2015, has the 5.7 Hemi. And the issue that I noticed was that on cold start, it had a loud, annoying rattle. Well, I wouldn't say loud, but it had the whole tick. It'd go away after 5 seconds, so... I mean, no big deal. I've read that probably the lifters bled down a little bit, but once those 5 seconds are up, truck runs smooth, quiet, good like a sewing machine, and it's ready to go. So getting on the interweb, did some research and found that switching to AMSOIL actually helps this thing and gets rid of that noise on startup. Now, I'm not big into that type of stuff, you know, snake oil, whatever. I know AMSOIL is good oil, but can an oil really get rid of a mechanical noise like that? I don't know. Let's see. So what I'm gonna go do now is fire it up and see if that noise comes up. So it is 40 degrees out. It is rainy. The truck has not been started. So we're gonna pop this open. Now, side note, I've driven about roughly 1,000 miles since the oil change, but I've used that AMSOIL mudslinger, and this engine looks really clean. It looks really nice in here, so that's some impressive stuff. But anyways, this kind of gets you positioned right over here. That way you can hear it a lot better than I can. And let's see if she ticks. Now that is flipping awesome. The reason for putting AMSOIL was not because of the tick, just because they had a good deal, and I wanted to get the cool hat and truck that came with. No rattle or ticks, because normally it would rattle and tick for 5 seconds, but that's flipping awesome. So AMSOIL is some good oil, and if you're curious on what I used, see if I can pull it out. I think Chrysler knew that you were going to need to add oil or have leaks, because they have a great compartment over here for it. But this is the stuff I used. Definitely took care of that cold start tick. Now, on another side note, I am using a better oil filter. I'm using the Wix one for it, because I've also read that is it. So before I was using Pennzoil Platinum or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. That was the one I was using, 520. Now I'm using AMSOIL 520. And before I was using the Mopar oil filter, and now I'm using the Wix oil filter. So pretty awesome. Definitely worth the money. And that's pretty cool that that noise is gone. So just want to do a quick video on that. And if you're having a Hemi Tick, you know, quick on startup, this might be a solution for you. I don't know. Give it a shot.